Good morning, Balers.
My name is Brittany Anderson.
And I'm Chance Bukta.
And you're watching the Daily Bulletin. Author Mark Twain said that the best way to cheer yourself is to try to cheer someone else up.
Students, if you're interested in visiting Santa Clara University Friday, October 19th, pick up a permission slip in the Career Center. The deadline to turn in permission slips to the Career Center will be next Wednesday on October 10th.
Are you interested in learning about Gavilan College? Gavilan representatives will be at the Career Center next Wednesday, October 10th, from 10 to 1. The AFT to sign up for this is Gavilan College presentation.
Sign up for next Tuesday, October 9th, 2018, for the AFT Military Information Presentation if you're looking for some answers for military options.
Pokemon Club meets today at lunch in room 371.
Riley Club will be in the quad at lunch, but will be selling Red Zone shirts for $15. You can also get more info regarding the Spirit Bus. See you at lunch.
Reminder, Football Fridays for Circle of Friends has started. Please sign up at room 270 and then go hang out with your friend. If you're still unclear about your group, please see Miss Rigby or Miss Guerrero ASAP. We will still be accepting applications if you would like to join.
Due to scheduling conflicts this weekend, we have to cancel the Circle of Friends kickoff picnic. Sorry for any inconveniences. Please plan to attend our next Circle of Friends activity.
Seniors, if you have not taken your senior portrait, senior quick shoots are scheduled for Tuesday, October 9th and Wednesday, October 10th in room 392 on Language Campus. Life Touch will email your scheduled time for one of these dates. It will be during the school day. The tuxedo and drape will be provided. Please see Miss Lemos for any questions.
Need a laugh? Don't miss the Comedy Sports alumni versus the current students tonight at 7 in the auditorium. Tickets are in the Student Payment Center, $5 with ASB in advance, $6 for students in advance, and all tickets are $7 at the door. You should go check it out, it's pretty cool.
Homecoming royalty elections will be taken during English classes on Tuesday, October 9th and Wednesday, October 10th. Your ballot will be in your school email. Your teacher will advise you when the time is appropriate to vote.
Open gym for boys basketball will be held Tuesday and Thursday from 5 to 7 p.m. in the O'Donnell Gym, except for October 9th and October 16th.
All athletes interested in playing lacrosse this spring, there will be an informational meeting on Tuesday, October 9th in the cafeteria from 7 to 8:30 p.m.
If you're interested in finding out more information about the U.S. military, sign up for the Career Center's AFT session next Tuesday, October 9th.
Outdoor Club meets this Tuesday at lunch in room 241. Help us plan for homecoming and our fall activities. And help make every day Earth Day. Writer Henry David reminds us, what's the use of a fine house if you haven't got tolerable planet to put it on?